Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial. We will see together today how to utilize the stock history function to produce data related to your favorite stocks and realize charts like the candlestick that you see here on the screen. I remember to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and please feel free to leave comments for anything you may need. Let's start now to utilize the stock history function and realize the chart in few minutes. We can start with a blank sheet. So the function that we will see together is the stock history. The stock history function, as we can visualize in the help, needs first of all a stock. So we need to insert a stock, then a start date and an ending date. We need to define which is the interval: 0 for daily, 1 for weekly, 2 for monthly. The default is for daily. Then the headers. If we want to show the headers, the default one is 1. 2 if we need also the instrument identifier. We will see the different options. And then the output of this function is for the stock defined in the selected time frame, the date, the close value, the open value, the high and low, and also the volume for each date. Let's see together how it works. So first of all, we need to define a stock. For example, if we put here Apple, to make this value, this field, a stock, we need to go in data and then click on stocks. As you can see, it opens a data selector. We select the stock that we need, that is Apple, listed on the Nasdaq, clicking on select, and here we are. Then I can insert the start date and the end date. For example, the 1st of January of 2021 and the last day of December of 2021. Then I call the function stock history. The stock is the cell A1. Then the start date, I select the reference cell, the end date. For the interval, we can generate data on daily basis, weekly or monthly. Let's start on daily basis, selecting 0. We want to show instrument identifiers and headers. Then I select all the properties. Therefore, it means 0 for the date, 1 for the close value of the stock, 2 for the opening value, 3 for the high, 4 for the low, and 5 for the volume. At this point, closing the parentheses and clicking on enter. As you can see, it automatically generates all the necessary information. If I change, for example, the time interval from 0 to 1, it is updated on week basis, weekly. If we want to have it on monthly basis, we can change it to 2, monthly. And here we have all the required data. Then the other modification that we can perform is on the header. Currently, we have the identifier and also the headers. If I change from 2 to 1, we will show only the headers, removing the identifier. Selecting 0, we will lose also the headers. We can go back to 2. It's here for the headers. Okay, let's now generate in few seconds the candlestick chart. So we can select the range from date to low, insert, then clicking on this icon, we will immediately see the open, high, low, close chart for the stock that is a candlestick type, and immediately we have realized the chart for our favorite stock. We can insert here the name of the stock, going in the cell. This is equal to the stock name, and we immediately have the chart. If we want to change the stock, I need just to replace the name of the stock, for example, Amazon. And as you can see, new data are generated, and the stock chart is immediately updated. I can increase the resolution of the chart, for example, formatting the axis, the minimum at 3000, and I have the candlestick chart on monthly basis for the selected stock. I hope that you find something new in this video. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, and please feel free to comment for any suggestion or feedback that you may need. Thank you. Bye.